actually a roof.
The roof is on top.
No, it's not. This is the roof. Ceiling's on top too. Common sense.
This guy's pretty. Hey, Ethan.
What?
Remember the guy that the last time we went to the park with Nari? He walked in the middle of the street and walked back. Like after we went to the park.
Yeah.
You better not be recording me! Yes.
I still see your tongue touching the ice cream. You!
I'm sorry this video, guys. Post it on YouTube, Ethan. You suck, people.
And use like penis.
I got a chip right here.
Your whole face is a chip. See, laughs out of nowhere. Laughs out of nowhere. He's crazy.
Recording me?
What do you think you did to me?
I deleted it.
No, you didn't. Half the time you did it.
I don't have it on my iPad. Oh, why? Because my iPad broke.
Yeah, and you took tons of FaceTime pictures of me. Exactly.
I forgot. He's still recording.
Yeah, but he does this to me all the time, so. Okay, it's off.
Ethan,
What?
you know you could go to jail for that
For recording you.
without me. That I was told.
I cannot go to jail. No.